After 2 years of work expanding the National Museum of Women in the Arts in Washington, D.C., the renovated museum reopened in the nation's capital on October 21st. The museum has been made more accessible for people with disabilities. The exhibition halls are more spacious, and the museum's showpiece collection has grown by some 40%. There are now about 600 artifacts and masterpieces, including the famous Frida Kahlo's self-portrait. Catherine Watt, the museum's chief curator, says the museum is showcasing the work of modern female artists.
We are reopening with a special exhibition called The Sky's the Limit, which is about women sculptors who work at a very bold scale and with an incredible array of materials. That will be on view until the end of February. And then throughout the year, we're presenting a new exhibition in our collection galleries called Remix, which is 9 thematic groupings of both historical and contemporary works of art from the collection.
Visitors can see the famous chandelier by Portuguese artist Joana Vasconcelos. There is the pregnant Nana sculpture done by French-American sculptor Niki de Saint-Phal, who is also famous for the Stravinsky fountain work outside of the Centre Pompidou in Paris. Susan Fisher-Sterling is the museum's director.
Women are really far away from achieving parity or equality in the art world. And so the museum's mission in some ways is more important than ever.
Our hope is that this will continue to the point where we reach gender equity in the arts, but I think that this museum is going to be really critical for keeping the drumbeat going on the importance of thinking about creativity among artists of all genders.
According to the art market website ArtNet, in the period between 2008 and 2020, the work of women artists made up only 1/10 of all showpieces in American museums. Officials at the National Museum of Women in the Arts hope their work will begin to change that. Karina Bafradjian for VOA News, Washington.